Creating your own newsletters on HubSpot in 2025 is an exciting opportunity to connect with your audience and share valuable content. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the essential steps to relaunch or launch your newsletter successfully. Have you ever wanted to reach your audience directly with engaging content? Today, we are diving into how to create your own newsletter using HubSpot. Whether you are a small business owner or a marketer, mastering these tools can elevate your communication strategy. Pick your newsletter tool. Start by choosing HubSpot as your primary tool for creating newsletters. It's user-friendly and integrates seamlessly with your marketing efforts. If you don't have an account yet, sign it up. Only it takes a minute. Define your goals. What do you want to achieve with your newsletter? Whether it's increasing engagement, sharing updates, or promoting products, having clear goals will guide your content strategy. Choose a template. HubSpot offers several free templates. Select one that aligns with your brand and customize it to fit your style. Remember, a well-designed newsletter grabs attention. Add content. Focus on creating valuable content that resonates with your audience. Aim for a balance of 90% educational material and 10% promotional content to keep readers engaged without overwhelming them. Set subject lines and send a name. Craft compelling subject lines that encourage opens and choose a sender name that builds trust. This could be your brand name or a personal touch. Test before sending. Always preview your newsletter across different devices and email providers to ensure it looks great everywhere. This step is crucial for maintaining professionalism. Send and analyze. Once you are satisfied, hit send. Afterward, analyze the performance metrics, open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber feedback to understand what works and where you can improve. Creating newsletters on HubSpot does not have to be long or daunting. By following these steps, you will not only engage your audience but also build lasting relationship through consistent communication. So what are you waiting for? Start crafting your newsletter today and watch your connections grow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tech tips.